Hi Omaha, I'm Brad Birge, owner and operator of Big Birge Plumbing Company. As you may or may not know, we're running for our second year in Best of Omaha this year. We would really appreciate your votes. By voting for us, it shows us the importance of quality customer service and our need from our local businesses to step it up a notch. And that's what we try to do every single day. So if you think we deserve it, we would really appreciate our votes. And not only that, watch every week because we're giving away some special prizes that you might be wanting to pick up on.